Everybody, so today I will be showing you all my fidgets. I have a bucket of fidgets right next to me, and I'm wearing the slippers that I got from Walmart that I showed you in the video from earlier today, this morning. So, are you guys ready to see all my fidgets? Okay, here we go. Okay, so first we're going to start out with this jelly slime. There it is, it says jam and jelly. It's slime that's scented like strawberry jelly. And this is what it looks like. And it smells so sweet and so good. So I have that slime. Okay. And, whoa. You guys cannot wait to see what's in this little thing. It's so cute. It's like the cutest thing I have. Okay, I'm going to open it behind my back. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, are you guys ready? Isn't it just the cutest little water squishy? It says juice on it. Isn't it so cool and cute? It's my favorite water squishy. So I'm going to put it back in its little house in here. So there we go. There's that. And I have this fidget. I have this. It's really colorful. And I have this little axolotl thing, and it has Orbeez on it. So I have that, and then I have this little thing. It's a little squishmallow squishy. Oh, and I have a squishmallow exactly like it. It's over there in my squishmallow pile. And if you could tell, I'm in my room right now. So, yeah. And I have this Pokeball, blue Pokeball, Pop It Ball. Go, Squirtle. And then I have this glow-in-the-dark llama Poppet. It glows in the dark, too. I think it's really cool. I got it for Christmas about 2 or 3 years ago. I don't know. Probably like 2 years ago. And I have 2 of these. I have this one, and let me find the other one. I might have to, okay. See, look, I have 2 of them. Don't ask why, I really don't know why. I think they're just really cool. They're really satisfying to watch. Whoa, I think they're just cool. Okay, and I have this little suction cup thing. So I'm going to stick it to the wall that this is against. If it will go. Well, not suction cupping. So, it's like a little strap thingy. It has suction cups on the side, and then you stick it on something flat, and then just rip it off. And it goes da 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 da. So now I have this Grogu puppet. I think it's cute. I got it for Christmas too, I think. 2 years ago, I think. And I also got this Minecraft Steve for Christmas 2 years ago. I loved puppets so much back then. Next, I have this like little pencil bag thing. You can like put pencils, colored pencils, crayons, markers, whatever you want pretty much in there. And it has poppets. And I also got this for Christmas like 2-3 years ago. It's a princess. And I do not really like princesses. And I have this lettered and numbered popsicle poppet. If you look close enough, you can see the letters and numbers. And I think that's really cool. And I have this like little, whatever you call it, jet or something. I don't know. Poppet. And it's so cool. And the poppets are like so soft too. And I also have 2 of these because my dad got me this for Christmas and my grandpa also got me this for Christmas. So I have another one, so yeah. And I have this dinosaur poppet. I think that's really cool. And here's the other one that I was talking about. And I'm pretty sure I also have 2 of these because my dad got me one for Christmas and my grandpa got me one for Christmas. And I have this Squirtle Pokemon poppet from a little bit ago, like a couple years ago. And I also have a Bulbasaur poppet. That's a Pokemon. Well, where'd it go? It was just, oh, it's right here. Okay, right here. Oh, and on the pops on here, it has like little pictures of Squirtle. And same on here. If you look close enough, you can see it. And I have this poppet ball. And I just have a normal octagon. And I have this like stress ball thing. See, it's originally blue, and then you squeeze it, turns purple. And I have this like Mickey Mouse poppet fidget. It's really cool. Don't ask why I have a million pop tubes. I have this donut squishy. I can put my finger through it. And I also have this poppet fidget spinner. And I also have a lot of poppet bracelets that I got for Christmas from my grandma. All of them. She got me like a whole bag full of them. Oh no, I had a stack of fidgets and they all fell down. If you heard a loud noise, that's probably what it was. And I have this. It's a pineapple. Hey, it's hard. It's kind of hard to squeeze. And I have this puzzle piece. It'd be really cool if you had a lot of these and then you could just put them together. That'd be really cool. And I have this simple dimple. And I have this one. And I have more bracelets. I have a rainbow octagon. I have so many octagons, don't ask why. And I told you I had another one of these. So it has lips. And I have this Orbeez stress ball. Whoa. And I just have this spiky ball. Can you hear that? And I have a bunch of marble meshes. And I have this. I have this. I got it for my 7th birthday like 3 or 4 years ago. And on this side it has hearts, but not on the other side. And I also have a bunch of these like noodle things. And I have a bunch of mochis. I have this bunny one. I have a polar bear one. I never let my dad see them because he throws them on the ceiling and then never takes them down. I have this snail poppet. I think it might be glow in the dark. I really haven't tried, but it looks like it is. I have these like sticky thingies. Can you hear that? I have this like little poppet keychain. It's a duck. I have this that I got like 3 weeks ago, like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Okay, it's small. Throw it up. It's not really a fidget, but I just put it in there. It came in a fidget box. I have this rainbow unicorn. I have this Orbeez ball. I have this heart poppet. A yellow heart poppet. Like a sunset color poppet. I have noodles. Why does my calendar still say November? I need to switch that. I have this rainbowish poppet ball. I have this rainbow poppet bracelet. It's really cool. I have these fidget spinner poppets. I have a bunch of pop tubes. Don't ask why. I do not know why. I don't even know where they came from, actually. More of them. Just like a circle poppet. I have one of these. Another one of these. I have a bunch of these, actually. But except this one gets stuck easy. My others don't. Like, it gets stuck every single time, and my others do not. I have this snail thingy. I have this. It's like a light bluish. Squeeze it, turns into like a magenta color. And of course, I have another one of these. See? This blue one's the only one that gets stuck. I have this calico cat mochi. It's my favorite mochi I have because calicos are my favorite type of cats. I have another one of these like squishy thingies. I have a slinky. That's not really a fidget, but I just have it in there. Another bracelet. This little control thing. It has buttons. Little controller. This little like squiggly thing, and these squiggly things, and like a thing on the side. A button, and like a thing that can spin. Oh, and I have this water snake. And if you put it against your face, it feels like your face is in like really cold water. Look, it has glitter and like little pretend like sea creatures in it. I like it. And it like slips out of my hand like super easy. Look at it. I have another one of these. I don't know. Oh. I don't even know what it is. It's trash. I have this. And I can just like twist it up. And I have this. And I'm going to be doing a part 2 of my fidget. So stay tuned for part 2. And that might be in like tomorrow or something. Might be next week, maybe. So I'm going to upload this one. Watch this one. This is part 1. So bye, guys.